Hi, I'm Chef Fernando Desa, Executive Chef at Goya Foods. Cooking nutritious meals at home is a great way to help you and your family to stay healthy and spend time together. How healthy your food is often determined ultimately by how you prepare your food at home. Today, I'll be dishing out some of my top cooking techniques for a healthier meal and a healthier you. And be sure to visit Goya.com for nutritious tips as part of our 85 Healthier Habits campaign. Tip number 1, always wash your hands and keep kitchen surface clean while cooking and prepping. Good hygiene in the kitchen is vital to your health. Tip number 2, instead of butter, use olive oil. Studies have shown that replacing saturated fats like butter with higher monosaturated fats like olive oil can help you improve your cholesterol. Extra virgin olive oil is considered the finest, freshest, and most flavorful of olive oils. The delicate nutrition found in extra virgin olive oil is compromised by heat, so it's best served cold or at room temperature. It's good for salad, smoothies, dips, and instead of butter, drizzle on toast, vegetables, cassava, potatoes, etc. before serving. Tip number 3, puree beans to thicken soups and stews. Using puree beans is a delicious way to add nutrition, fiber, and creaminess to soups and stews without excess fats. A can of reduced sodium refried black beans or reduced sodium pinto beans with a cup of milk can turn into a creamy soup or sauce. Tip number 4, cooking rice. Try the cook, chill, then reheat rice method for healthier rice. Studies show there's a healthier way to cook rice. Cooking rice with a small amount of healthy oil like olive oil, then cool overnight in the fridge and then reheat it, decrease rice calories and increase resistant starch. This may help promote healthier body weight and blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of my healthier cooking tips at Goya.com. And remember, si es Goya, tiene que ser bueno.